EXEL stock tomorrow. Is it a buy? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. So I'm looking at EXEL, whatever. It's 10% up, and it's actually quite good. I'm not even gonna lie. If I look at it from like a weekly perspective, this is a pretty bullish market from what I can see, and I'm looking to double down on it. So how is that gonna look like? Always zooming out and just observing the chart. Right, this is pretty bullish market for me. No questions about it. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Boom. That's my target. And that's crazy because tomorrow we might clear the target out, and that's okay with me. But only really interested if the price pulls down and gives me a decent double break. Anything else that's not going to be that, guess what it is going to be? Complete noise. So, boom. Stay tuned. I want to see a retrace in order for me to buy, but right now that's all we have personally. So if you want to learn how to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description.